In front of me is VIVO X300 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, open Settings and scroll to click on Security and Privacy. Now, tap on Device Unlocking and select Screen Lock at the top. Following that, tap on one of those login methods: swipe, pattern, PIN, or strong password. Let's go with pattern. Create your login method. And if you made a mistake, don't worry, hit clear at the bottom left corner and repeat it. When entered correctly, hit next and repeat it, this time to confirm it. Select OK. Go back and check out if it works. So when I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!